Welcome to this video. I'd like to introduce an interesting new product in the range of building automation. Here is a new room operating unit, ERS 1000. We know this from modern equipped rooms. They have several light circuits, blinds, electric windows, etc. When you enter the room, you are faced with a confusing multitude of switches and controls. The new ERS 1000 room operating unit from Phoenix Contact is a true all-rounder and replaces them all. Despite this, it fits into a flush mount wall box for 2 outlets when used together with an optional sensor module. The intuitive navigation and operation via appealing icons and the labeling of all functions ensures that all settings in the room are accessible straight away. The display is arranged into 4 tiles with associated buttons for this purpose. By adding a sensor module, the device becomes even more versatile. So the room temperature can be measured and, today more relevant than ever, the CO2 concentration, which is an important indicator of sufficient ventilation in the room. The ERS 1000 is not only a gain in comfort and user-friendliness for the users, but also for the installer of room automation. The device is part of our building automation solution Emalytics and can be put into operation very quickly. All functions are already programmed into the device. This makes individual configuration child's play. The ERS 1000 is connected via Ethernet to our building controller, which is capable to manage many devices simultaneously. I have prepared a small demo showing the difference in comfort between classic operation of a Venetian blind and operation on the ERS 1000. The classic operation has 1 button for raising and 1 for lowering. If you press the button for a longer time, the blind automatically moves to the end position. Rotating and adjusting the slats requires to press the buttons briefly several times. Now, in contrast, the operation on the ERS 1000. Currently, the blind is at 70% and the slats are tilted down. The new desired position can be easily set on the display. We adjust the blind height to 30% and the slats into horizontal position. Once set, the process is completely automatic. If you would like to know more, please contact your local sales representative for further details. Thanks for watching.